Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2016 Nissan Maxima Platinum. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Trying to get both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself without a doubt. There are no major dents, dings, no huge scratches. This is in fantastic condition. This is a beautiful car, really is. So many options. It's just a good looking car. Let's get down here on tire size for you. Hopefully that'll focus. Sorry about that. Focus. Sorry, folks. First walk around of the day. This one does have backup camera. It also has a bird's eye view, so you can see everything around you on this vehicle. Has the back sensors, front sensors, tinted windows all the way around. Again, this is just a beautiful car. It has remote self-start. Might as well do that while we're going around this here. Oops, sorry about that. Focus for me. I do apologize. It's a nice option to have in the summer, winter. Warm the car up, cool the car down, depending on the temperature outside. Alright, let's check out the features up front. Power windows, power locks, power memory seats. Condition of the leather. Love the rolled leather. Let's get the passenger seat here. There are no rips, tears, or stains. And this one does have the panoramic double sunroof, as you can see there. Alright, let's up some features in back here before we get to the options up front. It's the back seat. It has a rubber Nissan floor mats all the way around as well. Rear air. Alright, let's get to some features up front here. Looks like we got the steering wheel warmer, shade for the back, power telescoping wheel, steering wheel controls, media center with the navigation. And we'll show the backup camera here in just a second. And that's control the media center, as you can see. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood real quick. We'll go back up front here in just a second. Alright, let's see here. Let's see, Nissan V6. Now, I do say it in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can. Alright, let's turn it over again. Yes, the lights are on, I know. Alright, push start. Miles in here. I do apologize. Let's try to, let's brighten this guy up. There's the mileage there, 21,000 miles. But as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. There is, let's see, there's a backup camera there. I just turned off the headlights, brighten that up. But as you can see, it does have the backup camera with a panoramic view there. And then, yeah, this is a nice car. Well, hopefully that helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.